We all love to travel, exploring new places, meeting new people, tasting new foods. It's what makes life exciting. But every adventure leaves a mark, and it's not just footprints in the sand. Our flights, hotels, and souvenirs all add up to a massive carbon footprint. The more we travel, the more we strain our planet's delicate balance. From melting glaciers to dying coral reefs, the places we dream of visiting are changing fast. It's a tough truth. Our wanderlust is part of the problem. But our choices matter. Each trip is a chance to do better. The conversation is shifting. People are asking how we can explore responsibly. It's not just about where we go, but how we go. We're at a turning point. Can we keep our sense of adventure and protect the world we love? That's the journey we're about to take. Rethinking what it means to be a traveler. Let's start the conversation and look for better ways to see the world. It's time to be curious, open, and ready for change. The next adventure? Traveling in a way that helps, not harms. Because the most exciting journey might be learning how to travel right. Our planet is incredible, but it's up to us to keep it that way. So how do we keep exploring without leaving the world worse off? Let's find out together. The future of travel starts now. Are you ready? You've seen it: book a flight and you're offered a carbon offset for a few extra bucks. It sounds like a quick fix, pay a little, travel guilt-free. But does it really work? Offsetting doesn't erase emissions, the pollution still happens. Planting trees is great, but it takes years for them to absorb carbon. It's more of an IOU than a solution. Sometimes it's just clever marketing for airlines and hotels to look green without real change. Offsetting can distract us from the real issue, reducing our impact in the first place. Some projects do real good, but we can't rely on offsets alone. The real answer? Travel smarter from the start. Let's move beyond easy fixes and look for real, lasting change. Our choices can tip the scales in a positive direction. It's time to demand more than just a checkbox. If offsetting isn't enough, what's next? Enter regenerative tourism. It's not just about doing less harm, it's about doing more good. Imagine your trip helping restore a forest or support a local community. Regenerative tourism means leaving places better than you found them. It's a partnership with the planet and its people. For too long, tourism has taken more than it gives. Regenerative travel flips the script. Local communities lead, and travelers support. You get authentic experiences and locals benefit directly. It's about real connections, not just souvenirs. Tourism can fund conservation, empower people, and protect cultures. When we choose these experiences, we vote for a better kind of travel. The ripple effect is real. Demand creates change. We can make travel a force for good. It starts with us choosing to help, not harm. The power is in our hands. Let's use it. This isn't just talk, it's happening now. In Peru's Sacred Valley, travelers stay with local families, learning traditions and supporting communities. In the Amazon, indigenous groups lead eco-tours using tourism to fund conservation and protect their land. Green tech is making a difference too. Solar-powered hotels, water recycling, and apps that connect you to sustainable businesses. These pioneers are proving travel can heal, not hurt. They're rewriting the rules, showing tourism can empower people and protect nature. It's not about giving up travel, but making it smarter and more meaningful. These are the real heroes of the new travel movement. Their work benefits destinations, communities, and travelers alike. It's a win for everyone. The future of travel is already here, we just have to choose it. Let's join them. So, what's next? The future of travel is in our hands. Every trip is a chance to make a difference. Ask questions. Who benefits from your visit? How does your money help? Choose local, ethical businesses. Take the path less traveled, ethically and literally. When you connect with people and give back, your journey means more. You come home with stories, new perspectives, and a positive impact. Our planet is the ultimate adventure. Let's protect it. Let's be travelers who build bridges, not walls. Travel can heal, connect, and inspire if we do it right. Let's make every trip count.